Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather and today we got OPPO Reno 10X Zoom variant. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of this retail box. We're going to have a look on the device, highlighted specs, features and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So let's start it. First of all, let's have a look on the retail box. As you can see that it is pretty much same as the OPPO Reno standard edition. The only difference is that here we got the mention of 10x zoom and here we got the picture of the periscope zoom lens that was missing on the OPPO Reno standard edition. Rest everything is same. The device we got inside is ocean green in color. It comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So once again, here is OPPO Reno 10X Zoom branding. You can see it's changing color at different angle. It's looking really nice and premium. Here we got some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. Here is our OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. So as you can see, there is this cover on the device, mention of Reno 10X Zoom. It comes with 10x hybrid zoom, 5x optical zoom, 6.6-inch OLED panoramic screen. The camera got ultra night mode and it features 4065 mAh battery, VOOC flash charge 3.0. Once again, very beautiful OPPO branding with rainbow effect. Here is the case we got. It's black in color as you can see. So the device I got is ocean green. It would be great if the case was transparent, but as you can see it comes with matte finish and it's black in color. Then here is the VOOC 3.0 flash charging adapter charger, USB Type-C cable, and here we got the earphone, and this is the SIM card tray ejector pin. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. The smartphone, case, SIM card tray ejector pin, USB Type-C cable, some user manuals and booklet, the earphone and the VOOC 3.0 flash charger. So here is our OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. So as you can see that it looks pretty much same like OPPO Reno standard edition. Let's switch on the device. So it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. It comes with Android 9 Pie along with Color OS 6.0. So right now I'm just going to skip all of these steps to reach the home screen of the device. And here we go. So this is OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. So first of all, let's talk about the design of the device. As you can see that it's very much similar to the OPPO Reno standard edition. The only difference is that the screen is a bit bigger. It's 6.6-inch OLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution. So the PPI you are going to get is around 387. The screen to body ratio is 93.1%. And as you can see that the front side is basically just a screen. At the bottom you got just 3.5 mm thin chin and the bezels are minimal. On the right hand side we got the power on off key with a nice texture. On the left hand side there are volume rockers. At the bottom we got USB Type-C port, a microphone, speaker grill and SIM card tray slot. Just like the OPPO Reno standard edition, here we got a slight ridge as well. At the top we got a microphone and this is the spot where is front facing camera module is. We are going to have a look on it how it works very quickly. On the back side we got the triple rear camera setup. So you got a 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel wide angle camera and 13 megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom and 10x hybrid zoom. Here we got the laser autofocus, a microphone, and here we got a ceramic structure that helps to avoid getting scratches on the back of the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. At the bottom there is OPPO branding and it looks really nice. As you can see, just like the OPPO Reno, this one also comes with the glass back panel with a matte finish that looks really beautiful. One of the most interesting thing about the design of OPPO Reno 10X Zoom is the pivot raising front facing camera module. So if you turn on the front facing camera, then the front facing camera module come from the top of the device, or even if you are using the primary camera and switch on the flash, then this front facing camera module will come up, because the flash for the primary camera is provided on the back of front facing camera module. And here you can see that the laser autofocus is working. OPPO Reno 10X zoom is a bit heavy considering it weighs 210 grams, but considering the fact that it is a huge smartphone with 6.6 inch screen, it is still not so much. So overall, the design of OPPO Reno 10X zoom is premium from every angle, and it looks beautiful as well. The build quality is nice, it feels so good in hand, and because of the huge screen to body ratio, even though it comes with 6.6 inch screen, it doesn't look or feel so big in hand, and the glass back panel with matte finish feels really good in hand. So now let's have a look on the screen of OPPO Reno 10X zoom. It comes with 6.6 inch OLED screen with 93.1% screen to body ratio and full HD plus resolution. So the display quality of OPPO Reno 10X zoom is really nice. It's so sharp and crisp. The viewing angles are really nice. And also the display quality is pretty good. And because of the huge screen to body ratio, the front side of OPPO Reno 10X zoom looks very beautiful and premium. The touch screen sensitivity is pretty good as well. As you can see, it's responding to all of my touches spontaneously and there is no lag or delay. So the screen of OPPO Reno 10X zoom is quite good in every way. The display quality is good. You will not see any pixelation. It's so sharp, so beautiful, and the touch screen sensitivity is nice as well. Let's have a quick look on the brightness. So this is the maximum brightness inside the room under the artificial light. I believe in outdoors it will be a bit more, but it still looks bright enough, as you can see here. So this is the maximum brightness, and this is on auto based on the light we got inside this room. Talking about the ColorOS and UI, this is what you will get on your OPPO Reno 10X zoom. You can see that it comes with a set of Google applications. There is a tools folder with some useful applications like voice recorder, compass, one tap lock screen, phone clone, and some other useful applications like music party, game space, theme space, phone manager. OPPO Reno 10X zoom comes with Game Space 2.0 that improves the gaming performance of the device by providing more resources to the game being played. If you go to the settings, you can see that it comes with lots of features and options. We will have a look on all of them in our other videos, but if you go to the about phone section, here you will get more information about the device, that it is OPPO Reno 10X zoom, ColorOS version is 6.0, Android version is 9. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, out of which 222GB storage is available to user after using the device for the very first time. And the Android security patch level is of May 5th, 2019. And if you go to the recent tasks, here you can see that out of 8GB, 3.86GB RAM is available. That looks really low. You can see that there are no tasks running in the background, everything is closed. Even if I try to close, once again it is showing 3.82GB RAM is available. So nearly 50% RAM is already consumed by other applications or something. But we will do a detailed gaming review and multitasking test as well to see how good is the performance of RAM and memory management on OPPO Reno 10X zoom. In the camera user interface, you will find lots of options like photo, videos, portrait mode is provided. Here you will find ultra night mode, panorama, expert mode, that's basically the manual mode, time lapse and slow motion. OPPO Reno primary camera is capable of recording 4K videos at 60 FPS. It comes with 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom and dual OIS. So now let's take few pictures of this tiny little toy here and let's see how good it's going to be. So as you can see that when I'm bringing the camera close to the object, it's detecting that it's very close to the object and the macro lens option is enabled by default, so the AI feature is working quite good. The touch focusing is nice as well. You can see the image processing is really fast. Okay, so here it went out of focus. Now it's good. So this is the picture that we have just captured. You can see it's looking really good in terms of detail. Especially the color reproduction is really nice. It's very much close to the real object. So the color reproduction is very impressive. You can see lots of detail in everything. Even after zooming in, it's not getting blurred or something. Here it went out of focus, so you can see it's totally blurred. This one is once again very nice. So at the first glance, the camera performance of OPPO Reno 10X zoom is looking very nice and impressive. You can see how much detail it's getting out of this tiny little toy here. Even after zooming in, lots of detail in everything. No blurriness or any issue. So at the first glance, the camera performance of OPPO Reno 10X zoom is impressive for sure. We will have a look on all of these camera features and how it's going to perform in different lighting condition and different scenario in our detailed camera review of OPPO Reno 10X zoom, but right now it's looking quite promising. We will also do some camera performance comparison of OPPO Reno 10X zoom with some other flagship smartphones, especially with Huawei P30 Pro that also comes with 5x optical zoom. So at the first glance, everything about OPPO Reno 10X zoom is nice and impressive. If you're talking about the design, it looks premium from every angle. The build quality is nice, especially the back is really unique in terms of design and the feel as well. The screen of OPPO Reno 10X zoom is very beautiful. The bezels are minimal, the chin is very low. It comes with 93.1% screen to body ratio and the viewing angles are great. Talking about the hardware, it comes with the flagship hardware like Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. There is microSD card slot provided as well. It features 4065 mAh battery with VOOC 3.0 flash charge, and it runs on Android 9 Pie OS with Color OS 6.0 on top of it. And one of the most highlighted feature of OPPO Reno 10X zoom is triple rear camera with 5x optical zoom and 10x hybrid zoom. And at the first glance, the camera performance look really nice and impressive as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads of OPPO Reno 10X zoom, because lots of more videos are going to be uploaded very quickly. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.